Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
A fair solution. One day, a poor man walked by a fine, expensive restaurant. He smelled the delicious food. Though was hungry and tired, he sat down outside the restaurant and took out a piece of dry bread. If I smell these wonderful smells while I eat my bread, I can pretend I am eating a lovely meal, he thought. The man closed his eyes. He imagined a delicious meal of fish, vegetables, fruit, and cakes. The rich restaurant owner came outside and yelled at the poor man, "Stop! You're enjoying the smell of my delicious food. You must pay me for that. But I'm only enjoying the smell in the air. I haven't eaten any of your food," said the poor man. "Those smells are mine. They come from my delicious food. Pay me the money," demanded the rich man. "No," said the poor man. "That is not fair. I won't pay you." "Then we will go to the judge," said the rich man. "He will make you pay." The judge of the town was GK. He was clever and wise. "Tell me the problem," GK said to the rich man. The rich man pointed to the poor man. "This man sat outside my restaurant and enjoyed the smell of my delicious food. The food belongs to me and so does the smell of the food. I want this man to pay me money for enjoying those wonderful smells," said the rich man. "Is it true that you enjoyed the smells of this man's delicious food?" GK asked the poor man. "Yes, it's true," said the poor man. "Give me your money then," said GK. Sadly, the poor man gave GK a small bag of coins. "I haven't got much money. This is all I have," said the poor man. GK took the bag of coins and held it next to the rich man's ear. He shook the bag so the coins jingled. "Can you hear the sound of this money?" GK asked the rich man. "Of course," said the rich man. "Good," said GK. "That is your payment. This poor man enjoyed the smell of your food. Now you have enjoyed the sound of his money. That is a fair solution." GK handed the bag of coins back to the poor man. "You are free to go now," GK said to the poor man. "The problem has been solved." "Thank you," said the poor man. "You're welcome," said GK. Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.